As it turns out, this second version of the battery tester is still a prototype because I keep finding new ideas, things to add to this gadget. Right now, I removed the small LEDs from the charger and soldered in big LEDs, drilled holes into the plexiglass, and glued them in with super glue. So now the whole thing is red. I mean, you can see the red light from any direction through the plexiglass when it's charging. When it's not, it's white. That's a lot stronger. So yeah, maybe I'll change out the red LED to something that's as strong as the white. But yeah, for now, this is in testing, and yeah, so that's one thing, the LEDs. Then I will probably replace that resistor that can modify charging speed. So that will have to be a few positions. So I believe it's 1.2 kilo ohms up to 10 kilo ohms or something like that. You can modify that with a switch or a potentiometer and have several different settings for charging. And also for discharging, I mounted, just unplug this. I mounted both resistors here on they are right here. Ceramic resistors that heat up when the this circuitry, this digital whatever, tests the battery capacity. Basically, it drains the battery and counts the milliamp hours through the resistor. Just one right now. I only connected one, but I also want to add the switch to enable the second one too, and possibly uh, two more options, not just one additional option, because you can have these in series and you can have these in parallel to increase or decrease the um, not charging speed, discharging speed. Basically, you can modify the load to be right now it's 500 milliamps. You can reach 1,000 or 1 amp if you tie them in parallel, but in series you can reduce it to whatever the formula spits out, less than 500 milliamps. So yeah, that's about all I wanted to share about this. Maybe I'll get new ideas from this. For example, maybe instead of the resistors, I could just have a charger charging up the next cell I want to test. So one cell would be charging the other one. Kind of cool idea, but I don't know how it would work because the discharging curve. Wait, the discharging curve can be the same as the charging curve because the charging curve is the lower one, and you can discharge it up to 10 amps, maybe even more on some batteries. So yeah, maybe I'll do that, but for now, yeah, this is solid as is. And if I build another one, then I'll integrate these features and the switches and stuff and different resistors. I will integrate them much better because this is beginning to look like my old my first prototype of this, which was made of wood and hot glue and stuff. So yeah, in the end, Hopefully, this will be an elegant solution. Possibly, the wires will be sunk into the plexiglass so nothing will stick out. And yeah, better solutions for these screws also. Maybe I can use some glue instead of the screws, some very strong glue, or just mount them some in some other way to the plexiglass. So yeah, that's my update on the prototyping on these things. And yeah, I hope to get more good ideas to end up with a very good product, a better product than what you can find on AliExpress for $2, hopefully.